Hello everyone, welcome back to Dash of Spices. On today's video, I'll be showing you how to make this teriyaki stir fry udon noodles. These are frozen noodles that I got from Costco, but let me show you my own version of how to cook this. So keep on watching. So for our ingredients, what I have here is this teriyaki stir fry udon noodles. These are frozen. I got from Costco. It came with 4 packets with 4 seasoning and teriyaki seasoning as well. This comes with instruction in the back. If you follow this, it will work out fine. But here on this video, I'm going to show you how I made mine. So what I have here is the 2 packets of the noodles, 2 packets of the vegetable seasoning, and also 2 packets of teriyaki seasoning. Using a wok or a pot, add a little bit of oil. I'm using olive oil, and this is bite-sized chicken meat. You could use also a shrimp or a tofu. Go ahead and season this with garlic pepper seasoning. That's all you need because the packet already come with a lot of good stuff, so you don't need a lot of seasoning. Cook the chicken until lightly brown, like what I'm doing right here. Once they're lightly brown, add the udon noodles. Make sure you're setting the heat into medium heat. Add the mixed vegetable. 1/4 cup of chicken broth, or you could simply just add water as well. Slightly try to separate the noodles like what I'm doing right here. Once your noodles look like this, go ahead and add the teriyaki seasoning or teriyaki powder. This is very easy meal because all the packets already comes with good flavor, so you don't have to add a lot of stuff. Simply mix this together or stir fry. That's why it's stir fry. There's going to be a lot of stir frying. Then add about 1/4 cup of the chicken broth again. Mix this or stir fry this until the sauce is almost gone. As you can see right here, this type of noodles will kind of suck in the broth, so make sure to watch it. And now I'm gonna top this with baby bok choy. You're just going to cook the bok choy for less than a minute. You don't have to overcook it. Once they're all mixed, go ahead and serve it while nice and hot. This is very good, very easy to make. I hope you're gonna give this a try. Grab yourself this frozen udon noodles at Costco. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe. Until next time. Ciao!